It's not about the size of your starting capital. It's about the size of your commitment. If you're 50 plus and ready to make your move in real estate with limited funds, this 30-day plan will guide you from thinking about investing to taking real income-producing action. Every day builds on the one before it. So by the end of the month, you'll have momentum, contacts, and opportunities in motion. Week 1, lay the foundation and build your knowledge. Goal, prepare your mindset, learn the basics, and start making connections. Day 1 to 2, set your vision and goals. Write down why you want to invest in real estate. Is it for retirement income, legacy building, replacing a job? Create one clear 90-day goal. Example, complete my first wholesale deal, attend 3 property tours, meet 5 active investors. Day 3 to 4, education sprint. Purchase 2 to 3 top-rated real estate investing books, $60 or less. Sign up for your local REIA, Real Estate Investors Association, or online investor group. Day 5 to 6, networking kickoff. Attend your first REIA meeting or networking event. Introduce yourself as a new investor looking to bring value to others. Ask more questions than you answer. This builds trust. Day 7, reflection and next step planning. Journal what you learned this week. Identify 3 to 5 investors, agents, or contractors you want to connect with further. Week 2, marketing and market knowledge. Goal, learn your target market and start positioning yourself to find deals. Day 8 to 9, choose your investment area. Focus on 2 to 3 zip codes or neighborhoods you know or can easily learn. Research average home prices, rent rates, and how long properties stay on the market. Days 10 to 11, build your bird dog skills. Learn to spot motivated seller signs, overgrown yards, code violation postings, for sale by owner signs, moving boxes, drive for dollars, physically scout neighborhoods for potential deals. Day 12, create your deal finding toolkit. Order 10 to 15 bandit signs or print simple flyers. We buy houses cash plus phone number. Set up a basic email for your real estate business. Days 13 to 14, reach out, call 5 for sale by owner numbers. Knock on 2 to 3 doors, optional if comfortable, or leave flyers. Week 3, lead generation and first deals. Goal, actively seek deals and connect them to buyers. Days 15 to 16, build your buyers list. Contact 5 to 10 local investors and ask, what kind of properties are you looking for? Create a simple spreadsheet with their criteria. Days 17 to 18, first deal hunt. Use Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and Zillow's FSBO section to find possible deals. Compare asking prices with recent sales. Look for discounts of 20 to 40%. Days 19 to 20, make your first offer or referral. If wholesaling, put a property under contract with contingency clauses. If bird dogging, pass the lead to a buyer and negotiate a finder's fee. Day 21, follow up and pipeline building. Contact everyone you've met so far. Let them know you're actively searching for deals and open to partnerships. Week 4, close strong and plan your next 90 days. Goal, get a win, reinvest profits, and prepare for scale. Day 22 to 23, seal your first deal. Meet the seller and or buyer in person. Sign your assignment or referral agreement. Day 24 to 25, system setup. Document what worked and what didn't in your lead generation. Organize your contacts into a CRM. Even an Excel sheet works at first. Day 26 to 27, reinvest. Put part of your profit into more marketing, education, or networking. Consider business cards, a simple website, or paid ads. Day 28 to 29, expand your network. Join 1 to 2 more investor meetups. Connect with agents who specialize in investment properties. Day 30, celebrate and set next goals. Review your results. Set a new 90-day goal. Example, 3 wholesale deals Your first rental purchase, $10,000 in profit. Celebrate every small win. Momentum is built on recognition. Mindset reminder. You don't need to be the richest investor in the room. You need to be the most consistent. Your time and commitment invested is a seed. Every action you take is watering it. Keep going, and it will grow into something far bigger than you imagine. Real 50 Plus is here to prove you're not too late. You're right on time. If this helped, like, comment, and share it with someone 50 plus ready to start building legacy through real estate. Grab your free starter tools in the description links below. Subscribe to Real 50 Plus for weekly motivation, strategy, and support. Let's grow together.